Hi, teacher. We are Berenice and Sebastian. And we presented the tutorial of Mojitos drink.
The ingredients are peppermint, lemon, Sprite soda, ice cube, brown sugar, and white vodka. Before you start, make sure you have all the ingredients ready. First, wash the peppermint and place them in a bowl. Then, gently crush the mint leaves to release their aroma.
After you crush the peppermint and add the lemon juice. Once the lemon juice added, you mix in the brown sugar. Before you add the soda, you need stir all the ingredients well. After that, you need pour the Sprite soda into the mixture. When the soda is in the bowl, you need add the vodka, little vodka. Finally, add ice cube and chill the drink.